Welcome everyone. You may be wondering if your iPhone 14 Pro has wireless charging, and yes it does. So I have here the Apple MagSafe charger. What's special about this compared to alternatives is this will actually magnetically connect to the exact spot where the wireless charging is located on the phone. And what that means is you get a better connection, which means better charging speeds. However, if you use a regular Qi wireless charger, if you're wondering what that means, it just means literally any wireless charger. Qi is the certification, then that will also be supported. However, it may not have the magnets. You can also get third-party wireless chargers. I'll share this dock I use in the description. It allows you to charge the phone magnetically with a fan, so the wireless charging is nice and cool. And if you also have an Apple Watch, you can charge the watch as well. But if you don't, you can remove that as well. So I have connected the wireless charger to a charging brick. When I connect the phone, you're going to notice here, iPhone 14 Pro is now charging. So again, the speeds will depend. Are you using a third-party charger or an Apple certified one? With the Apple certified, you get 15 watts. Otherwise, you get 7.5 to 5 watts. You can see when I remove the charger, charging is stopped. When I place it back on, the charging resumes. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.